When the user logs into the dashboard app, they are presented with the tasks page containing dashboard names and the data filter pull-up page. In this demo, I will add a new dashboard option, projects created in past 90 days, and I will place it in the project's dashboard app. The tasks page is controlled by the TasksPage Data Model. To locate the data model, navigate to the custom SL_templates folder. Under the SL template folder, navigate to the specific mobile app dashboard folder. For the demo, I will use the project's dashboard. Edit TasksPage Data Model. For editing, I will copy the contents in a notepad. The TasksPage Data Model contains 5 fields. The slide displayed on the screen explains the usage of these 5 fields. When entering details, it is essential to specify values in all the columns specified in the data model. When editing the data model, the details specified in the mobile format column must not be changed. To add a new dashboard option, I will copy an existing select statement and place it at the end of the SQL statement. The first field is the display sequence. I want to place the new dashboard after the number of projects dashboard. Therefore, I will assign sequence 15. Next, I will specify the name of the dashboard, projects created in past 90 days. In the following field, I will specify the complete path of the report responsible for fetching data for all graphs in this dashboard. I have not created the report yet, but I will assign a dummy report path as project created report. Further in the demo, I will create a new data model and report to fetch data for the new dashboard. Using the new dashboard, I want to get details of the project created in the past 90 days. So I will put 90 in days detail field. The value entered in the days detail field is passed to the report entered in the report path field. In the last field, enter any unique value. Before I place the updated SQL back to the data model, I will first check the dashboard names currently appearing in the mobile app. Currently, I do not see projects created in the past 90 days option. Now I will place the updated SQL back to the data model and save the data model definition. To test the change, I will log out and log in. Now I see the new dashboard option.